Toothless.
Searching for you, babe.
No! No!
Lazy, crazy, scratching, sports cars. I like
potatoes,
I don't like
tomatoes,
I'm going
fishing,
'cause I'm on a
mission.
Dragon Master.
No! Get away from him! Go on! Get out of here! Get away!
I won't let you go.
She told my baby dance to 3, and she looked at me, then showed a photo. Baby cried, his eyes were like mine.
want you to be free.
You're my best friend, bud. My best
I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted, I didn't think about what you needed. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves. Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. It's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free. Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? We'll try this on. Oh, you feeling it yet? Picking up on all night, heartfelt remorse? Oh, come on. Yeah, you wouldn't hurt off one-legged. Toothless! Go get him. Now, Toothless. Toothless? Toothless, stop! He's challenging the Alpha to protect you! You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready?
Calling it quits now, say we alright. Crash at my, I think it may be alright.
Hey.